Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. I'm going to get a short one in this morning. I wanted to show you the cirrus clouds that have moved in here. I like to call them sheep herder clouds because it reminds me of a giant herd of sheep. Right there, the giant herd of sheep moving in. But anyway, I did want to show you that. And then I got another surprise for you. This will be a short video this morning. I'll probably get into a longer one later on this afternoon. But, you know, those review I did on these seed starter trays. Well, guess what? I put these in on the 26th. So, what do we got right now? We have corn sprouts. Look at that. They're coming up. And let me get this back on there. Show you this one. Yep, we got corn sprouts. So it'll be probably a week more. And then I'll get these transplanted out to the main garden, because the other seeds I put in the ground over a month ago, not a single sprout. Excuse me. Yeah, so this one, the last three on this end here are beans, and these are beans. And I noticed that in the beans, there's a couple of them just starting to break surface down there. So those will be up in the next couple of days. And then this one is spinach, and these are really old seeds. Let's see how old they are. Oh, there we go. 2016. So, yeah, those are really old seeds. But we'll see if we get anything to come up out of them. For those of you who gave it a second thought on getting some of these seed starting trays, I'd say they're a success. They really do work. And you see, I got them shut off so the humidity stays inside there, which is a good thing. It takes less water, and you get good production with them. You can't open these little dials up and let the humidity out if you want, but apparently it works great the way it is. So check in the description on this video, and you'll see the links to get the seed starting trays and the garden stakes with all of the attachments, and your own set of gardening gloves and twist ties, and a twist tie cutter built right in there. Nice little unit. I've got some of those outside already holding up different plants, and I'll have some more products coming down the line. So thanks for joining me. Don't forget, thumbs up down there. Don't forget to share and subscribe. This is G Bear thanking you for joining me and signing off.